Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and here's a look at today's assignments. A check-in. We are going to have our Google Meet today at 10 o'clock. If you are able to join, please click the turquoise here. Our morning meeting is going to be a fun would you rather. So our topic today is, would you rather be a babysitter or a dog sitter, and why? And then we're going to read a fairy tale together, and we're going to work on creating a quick little story map. Okay, we're going to read this fairy tale today for your Reader's Workshop lesson in our Google Meet. So if you attend our Google Meet, you don't have to listen to the video as we're going to do it live together. If you cannot attend our meet, go ahead and watch this video so that you can hear the same story. We're going to be reading The Three Little Pigs, just the classic version today. And then we're going to be creating a story map with our character, setting, problem, solution. If you're in the live Google Meet, we're going to be doing it together. If you're not, you'll need to do it on your own. Okay, record whatever you read for stamina today. Remember to hop onto Lexia at some point. And today you're going to begin writing your introduction for your realistic fiction story. So last week you did all your brainstorming of all your ideas. I want you to watch this quick little video. It's about 2 or 3 minutes long. It'll kind of introduce you to what an introduction of a realistic fiction story may look like. So watch the video, and here are just some kind of tips from the video. So when you write your introduction, you want to get your reader very interested in your story. So kind of like a hook. Remember when we wrote personal narratives, we started with a hook. So you're going to introduce your main characters, include your setting, and maybe think about including some dialogue or a sound effect to kind of get your reader interested in what you're writing. I went ahead and did an introduction for my own story as an example. So let me read to you. One summer day at home, Ryan and his sister Sarah wanted to play. It was so hot outside that they decided to play inside. Mom shouted from her office, "Make sure you are playing carefully together." Yesterday, Sarah had convinced her little brother Ryan to jump off his bed. Sarah was always challenging him to do things that might lead to trouble. Ryan wanted to play basketball on the Nintendo Switch, but Sarah had other ideas. So see how that kind of lets you in on who the characters are, Ryan and Sarah, who are brother and sister. What is the setting? It's a hot summer day. Kind of gives you a little bit of insight to their characters. Sounds like Sarah might be someone who likes to get into a little bit of trouble maybe, and Ryan, not so much, but it's his sister, and maybe he wants to do what she says. And it says Sarah has other ideas, so that lets me want to read more of the story. So see what you can do on your own introduction today. You're going to have 2 days to work on your introduction, so don't feel like you have to get it all done today. Your math warm-up is patterns. I gave you a hundreds chart at the top to kind of help you out there. So you're going to look at the numbers at the bottom. So we've got 26, 36, 46. How are those numbers changing? And what would the next number be in the pattern? If you're not sure, please use your hundreds chart as a tool. All right, the next few pages are a couple word problems. So you're going to be reading through them. Remember to figure out what is the action in the story. You may use any strategy at all to solve. So you're going to be having 6 problems today. Freckle, remember that's always an option. Continuing on from yesterday with our social studies of life then and now, we're going to talk a little bit about the telephone. And I know that that picture probably looks a little strange to you. That is called a landline, and that is what, when I was a little girl, that's what we had to use. And it was attached to the wall, and it had a cord. You could not walk away, so you really didn't have any privacy on the telephone because you had to stand next to the wall where the cord was. And today, of course, you are all familiar with cell phones. So go ahead and read the article, or if you'd prefer to listen to me read it, you can click on the left-hand side where it says click here. And then you're going to name 2 ways that telephones were different long, long ago. PE today, get some exercise in, get some physical activity. You can always do your own thing, or you can go to Coach C's website. You can go to Go Noodle, challenge your brothers and sisters to a dance-off. Whatever's fun for you today, just get some activity in. And Coach C has his Storytime Tuesday up. If you want to hear another story, you are welcome to listen to him read as well. All right, that is our Tuesday, so hope you have a great day.